Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make burritos with chicken. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need cooked chicken, which you can shred or dice, along with your favorite rice and beans. Don't forget to chop up some fresh vegetables like onions and bell peppers. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process much smoother and quicker, ensuring a delightful meal in no time. Next, sauté your chopped vegetables in a pan until they are tender and slightly caramelized, bringing out their natural sweetness. While they cook, gently warm your tortillas. This makes them pliable and easier to roll without tearing. Now, it's time to assemble. Lay out your warm tortillas and evenly layer your cooked chicken, rice, beans, and sautéed vegetables down the center. To roll your burrito, first fold in the two shorter sides of the tortilla over the filling. Then, starting from the bottom edge closest to you, roll the tortilla tightly upwards, tucking in the ingredients as you go. This creates a neat, secure package. Serve your freshly rolled burritos immediately with your favorite toppings, such as salsa, guacamole, or sour cream, for a truly satisfying meal. Feel free to customize your chicken burritos to your liking. You can add different types of cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, or experiment with various sauces such as a spicy chipotle crema. Incorporate extra vegetables like corn or black olives for added texture and flavor. These burritos are also excellent for meal prep. Make a large batch and freeze them for quick, convenient meals later in the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.